Most electric bikes on the market today feel, well, disposable. Like they're designed for a season, maybe two, before the plastic cracks and the battery sags. They promise adventure, but often deliver frustration. But sometimes you need something built to last, something that doesn't feel like a toy you'll outgrow, something that feels like a proper machine. And that, my friends, brings us to the Freego X2 Electric Motorcycle review. Worth it? 2025. Pick it up, or rather, try to pick it up, and your lower back will remind you this isn't some featherweight bicycle. It's dense. It feels like a solid block of aluminum, not some hollow stamped sheet metal. The frame is crafted from premium aluminum alloy, and there are no creaks, no rattles, just the solid, cold feel of metal and rubber designed to take a beating. The full suspension system, from the moment you swing a leg over, tells you it's ready for more than just paved paths. It absorbs shocks, not just some of them, but seamlessly, eating up the terrain under you. And those 19 by 2-inch MTB tires, they bite. They feel planted. You get enhanced traction and stability, which means less time worrying about slipping and more time enjoying the ride. Which brings us to what truly makes this a workhorse, the grunt. That robust 6000-WATT peak motor isn't just a number, it's heart-pounding acceleration. It will propel you to speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. That's not just fast. That's a significant time saver, whether you're passing traffic on a commute or making short work of a long trail. And to keep that motor fed, you've got a high-capacity 60-volt, 30-amp-hour 1800-WATT-HOUR removable battery. An impressive range of 37 to 56 miles on a single charge. That means you can leave your charger at home for a long weekend ride. No range anxiety, just miles. The 7-speed gears transition smoothly, optimizing performance across varied terrains, giving you precision control without fuss. And because power means nothing without control, the advanced hydraulic brake system on both the front and rear delivers unparalleled stopping power. Swift, responsive. Those self-adjusting pads mean you spend less time in the garage, more time riding. Now, it isn't perfect. That intuitive LCD display, it tells you what you need to know: speed, distance, battery levels, but it won't win any design awards. It's functional, not flashy. It's a pragmatic tool, not a gadget. And while the full suspension eats bumps for breakfast, this thing has some heft to it. If you're planning on hoisting it onto a roof rack often, well, consider it part of your workout routine. But these are minor quibbles, honest trade-offs for genuine durability and power. This is a machine built tough, designed to keep going when lesser bikes have given up the ghost. If you're looking for a flimsy toy to zip around the park on a sunny afternoon, this might be overkill. But if you're looking for a serious piece of kit, a true workhorse to conquer real trails and cut through the urban jungle with authority, then the Freego X2 demands your attention. This isn't just an electric bike, it's an electric motorcycle. I put the link below so you can check the current price.